or someone you know is being bullied, do not be afraid to reach out. Remember that you are not alone.
We all have the power to stop cyberbullying. Stand up and speak out and be kind. Together we can make the internet a safer place.
In today's digital world, staying connected is easy, but it also comes with risks. One of the biggest is cyberbullying, a hidden threat that can harm students emotionally, mentally, and socially.
This short video will show what cyberbullying is, its effect, and how together we can stop it.
Cyberbullying is one of the biggest challenges students face today. Unlike traditional bullying, it happens online through social media, messaging apps, and even online games.
Cyberbullying can be sending hurtful messages, spreading rumors, posting embarrassing photos, or excluding someone online.
The effects are serious. Victims may feel depressed, anxious, isolated, and lose their confidence. Some even skip school because of it.
But we can stop it. Always think before you post. Be kind online, and if you see cyberbullying, don't ignore it. Report it to an adult or the school authorities.
Let's make the internet a safer place for everyone.